Hello and welcome to Why Is Our World? Wow! In this video I'm going to show you how to carry out an addition sum using the compact column method. This sum also involves regrouping. In this particular video I am just going to be using the abstract method, so only using digits. First stage is to write your sum into your place value headings. So we have 4,386 plus 132. I'm now going to add up each of the columns to find out how much there is in each of them. So we have 6 ones plus 2 ones is 8 ones. We have 8 tens plus 3 tens, which is 11 tens. Now I know that I can't have 11 in one of the columns, any of the columns, therefore I'm going to have to move 10 of those tens over into the hundreds column to become an extra 100. So I now have only 1 10 left, so I place that in the tens column. I'm now going to count how many hundreds I have. 3, 4, 5 hundreds. And then finally in the thousands column I have 4 thousands only. So the answer is 4,518. Which you can then compare to the picture I drew in the previous video. And you can see how the picture links closely to the written method.